Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So this toy is something my son has been attached to ever since we brought it home. So this is a plush figurine of Chase from one of his favorite shows, PAW Patrol, and my son just loves it. So he's almost 2 years old and it's the perfect size for him. He takes it with him all around the house. I'm really impressed with the quality of the toy. It's very soft and snuggly. It's got all the features and details that are identical to the TV character, including the hat as well as the vest. Now this guy makes an especially great bedtime buddy because he actually comes with a working flashlight. So there's this button here that you press to turn it on.
I'm sleepy.
And it only goes on for a second. So it has 10 different sounds and phrases to let you know that it's bedtime, and the flashlight is actually sewn to the toy so you don't have to worry about losing it. So this is especially good for kids who are maybe afraid of the dark or they don't like going to bed alone. This guy can definitely keep them company. So I would highly recommend it for all the little PAW Patrol fans out there, and that's my point of view.